Alright guys, what is good? Welcome to Monkey Invest, and today we're going to be going over a daily trading recap of SPY and just getting you guys through some levels, through some technical analysis that I saw today in the markets. Alright guys, so hopping onto the SPY chart for today, as you can see we are in a general downtrend as of the past month, and I think that we're definitely forming sort of a trend line here that we can follow in the future. I think this is definitely something to keep an eye on, especially with upcoming news releases. As well as this, if we go ahead and go on down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where I like to chart out my levels, guys. So as you can see, we have the levels that are important to us today. We have this 396 level, 394, 389, and 384. Alright, so I got this 384 level from this bounce right here, these couple bounces over the past couple days. We got this 389 level from this area of previous resistance. We also see some of it previously over here. Now this level right here played a very crucial part in the market today, guys. So 394, how did I go about getting this level? How did it help me in the market today? So as of yesterday, we had a big rally up, and the first stoppage that we really had on this rally was right here at this 394 level. So that told me that was a pretty important level. So we actually stopped right here at this level, had some consolidation, broke through, came back down, retested it, and went up to the upside and got stopped by this level right before market ending. As well as this, we also saw this level being touched in the pre-market. And the pre-market levels are definitely something to keep an eye on. I've been liking the pre-market levels a lot. They give you a good idea of the market's range for that day, some key levels to keep in mind. So we touched this level in the pre-market, touched it, went down, came up and hit it once again before coming all the way down. So I know there's a lot of sellers here. Maybe there's a couple limit orders here because of the pre-market. So into the day open, if we go ahead and head on to the 5-minute chart, this was a perfect opportunity to play puts, guys. You could have made a lot of money easily, 100 to 150% right here off of this play. Now, how do you go about this? So, as I just told you guys, we had this play right here. We found this level, and we can use this level to our advantage. So as you can see, in the opening of the market, we had a strong rejection of this level in the first candle, but entering on the first candle is always very risky because the volume is very high. The market can be choppy. You don't know where the market's heading yet. So I like to wait a couple candles. So this candle right here, as you can see, we had a strong rejection off the first candle, showing us there's a lot of buyers there. We also had a little bit of rejection off this candle. This candle showed a lot of strength, especially with the opening of the day, but we still got rejected off of it. As well as this third candle sealing the deal, knowing that there's a lot of buyers here. As you can see, we're trying to push up into this level, but we're just getting rejected and stopped out of it. So you had a choice here. You could have either entered here after seeing this start of the rejection for your confirmation, or you could have waited for it to pull back once again, and this would have been a perfect entry for it. Looking at the volume, we see a lot of buyers coming into here, but the very next candle, in real time, it was very aggressive sellers. That's what we saw. Of course, we can't see that now, but in the real market, in real time, we saw a lot of aggressive sellers here, which could definitely be a possible entry point for your puts here. Alright guys, that was my market analysis for today. There wasn't very many other trades that I would have taken here. I don't usually like trading I don't really like trading past the 11 o'clock hour or 11:30. As the volume kind of dies, as you can see, we don't have much volume going into here. If you want, you can trade from 3 to 4, but I personally just don't trade then. I don't have the time. I also just don't think it's worth it for me. I've never seen profitability while trading in this time. And anyway, I hope this video helped you guys. Education is the most important thing in trading, and I hope we helped you in today's video.